Hey everyone, I just want to show you something really quick. This right here is a lesson that I'm wrapping up for a masterclass coming up this Saturday, and I'm standing inside my new art studio. This is where I create all the lessons for our sketch club on school. And to be honest, this has been a lifelong dream of mine. I spent the last 30 years working as a professional artist, but now I found the time to slow things down and build something that I really want to create. This is a place where artists of all ages and skill levels can get together to draw, learn, share their artwork together, and just be supportive. And the best part is this isn't just my community anymore, it's being shaped by all our members. They're the ones that suggest all the lessons, create the fun art challenges, share their artwork and engage with one another, and also create that positive energy within our culture. And honestly, it's becoming something very special that I'm super proud to be a part of. So if you're watching this right now, I'd love for you to come experience it for yourself. So I've unlocked everything for you for free for 7 full days. You can try out any of our lessons or challenges, share your artwork to get feedback, and help shape the future of our community. I hope you'll come by and say hi because I'm here right now inside the club. I look forward to meeting you soon.